Hi guys, Dave Anderson, Helicool Helipad. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I do a lot of things for the entertainment value as well as for the educational value. You know, some folks have never seen what it's like to tear this stuff apart, or even what's behind the things that it takes to tear something apart. But above all, I want to entertain you as best as I can. I'm getting a late start today, but I want to try to prep for tomorrow. This battery box, I know I said at one time, I'm going to take this thing out of here. Well, no, it just basically laughed at me. There's a small piece I want to show you though, because some of these bolts actually were in pretty decent condition, but some of them were horrible. So what I'm going to do today is do some bolt extractions. Now the extractor that I'm going to use, this is what an extractor looks like. It says to use a 7/64 drill bit to start the hole. I'm going to drill a hole in one of these bolts that just will not come out, and then I'll use the extractor to get it out the rest of the way. Come out. Huh. It broke the head off of it. Come on, Black & Decker. Well, sometimes the FMTV can get the better of you. Because these bolts, well, they're rusted pretty bad. But you can't get frustrated. You have to just keep a positive attitude, laugh it off, and try something else. So it's a learning experience for me. I'm no mechanic by any stretch of the imagination. At least I don't think I am. I've done mechanic work, but mostly I've been an operator. I can count on one hand, with 4 fingers broken and my thumb broken, how many times I returned wrenches on an aircraft, because as pilots we were not allowed to touch things, and probably that was a very good thing. Yeah, I didn't turn a wrench at all. I was not allowed to. As a matter of fact, I don't even remember refueling the aircraft. They wouldn't let us do that either. All we could do was fly it, pre-flight it. I was great at doing all that. I was a master aviator, so fantastic. But turning wrenches wasn't what I did in the military. So, not saying that I can't do it, but I just didn't do it a whole lot. Hey guys, good morning. Hey, we're back. Bob rolled in pretty early this morning, earlier than normal. So we're about ready to get started on Patricia. We're going to try to get the front wheels off of Patricia at least today, and get it up on some blocks or some, what are those, jack stands. So stay tuned. Almost forgot, we actually have an unboxing today. Check this out. Leather seat, brand new, never been used. Oh, what is this? Oh, 15 bucks. Are you kidding me? I wish I could have got 2 of these, because this is just a small center seat in between a Ford Explorer. But this is all they had, was one. I'm going to go back to see if I can find more. This is right at the Department of Enterprise Services in Tumwater. So I'll be back there many times checking to see if they've got more of these. Here, throw this on top of it. Oh, well, you're drying it up now. I know. I said hold on. Well, let me start the time lapse. Is it still going? It's still going! Well, there's the banjo bolt. It's got these neoprene on the inside washers. And what we're going to do is put a plastic baggie over that and probably a zip tie until we can get it onto Malachi, which may or may not be today. Alright, we're ready to take this off, have all the bolts. It's just kind of fighting us the whole way just because there's a little rusty. This is the important part though, because this wheel is so heavy, you mess these, it rubs against those threads and it'll mess those up in a heartbeat. So you need to be very careful when pulling this off to make sure that it is supported. We have it on a pallet jack and it looks like it's right in the center. Bob's going to pull this straight back and I'm just going to kind of hold it on there so it doesn't kind of move. Alright, we are past the threads. Good deal. And of course this is an extremely heavy tire, so I would recommend a two-man job at least because you don't want to get flattened by this tire. Alright, well now the LMTV is just too dangerous to get underneath it. So we're going to build some wheel blocks to ensure that this is going to be just a little bit safer, because there's no way I'm going to get underneath that LMTV with it just on jack stands. All right, we're feeling a bit more comfortable with that. I'm going to leave the jack stands under there as well, just for extra support, but that's making me feel a little better. Now to the other side. We're going to call it quits for the day because I got some studying to do for my MBA courses. So glad that you stopped by and watched us take these off of here. Next time we'll be putting these tires on Malachi and possibly even grabbing the fuel tank. But that'll be next time. You guys, I appreciate you coming to watch. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And thank you. And also share it amongst your friends. Put a comment down for things that you want to see or things that you think that we messed up. All of those things are definitely appreciated, and appreciate you watching and spending the time with us. Until next time, guys, be safe and God bless.